there, and welcome to the Soul Sister channel on this Sunday, January the 26th. My name is Kat. I've got your astrological spiritual forecast and guidance going from today through Saturday, February the 1st. This week's video is entitled Dream It, Be It. And the reason for the title is, of course, the theme for the whole video. I'm very excited, again, like I was last week. Um, we have what I really would want to talk to us about. We have some energy shifts this week. We have a new moon in Aquarius on Wednesday, which is the first new moon of 2025, and it's also the beginning of the Lunar New Year. And this year, the Lunar New Year is Wood Snake. And that's what I want to talk to us about, this incredible energy that's available to us this week. So, first of all, let's talk about the big picture. I love to focus on it. We are in the middle of a transition from a huge 2500 cyclic shift from the Piscean age to the Aquarian age. The Piscean age, we followed the leader. It was based on an emotional attachment to the leader or to whatever it was that we participated in. In the Aquarian age, we realize the leader is within each and every one of us. We each have a personal guide to help us navigate this earth plane. And we're going to need it, especially with this transition to the Aquarian age, where we are expected to really embrace and express who we truly are. As I've been saying in the past, we've all been created for this time, for a specific purpose. We each have our job to do. And if we take the time, quiet, center, listen, meditate, we will realize with clarity what that is, regardless of whether it fits into the paradigm of society or our culture. And I'm going to tell you right now, in many cases, it will not, because Pluto is now in Aquarius. Pluto's going to be in Aquarius for over 2 decades. This is the energy of revolution. We are preparing for a revolution. Let's face it, each and every one of us, we are a little unsure about what is ahead of us, how this is going to work, how this is going to unfold. We are out of our comfort zone. It's just, life just isn't how it's been for the past many decades. And we are here to help the transition into the new age. But it is going to require us to have confidence in who we are, to embrace who we are, to express those qualities that we have. Some of them are quite unique. We may think they make us weird, but that's just because they're our power. It is our contribution to the whole. And a lot of times our contribution is something that isn't out there. So we're creating it this week. Create it, be it. It is so important. Let's talk about this new moon in Aquarius with Pluto in Aquarius. I kind of just said it. This is our focus for the next year. This is like our New Year's resolution, but for real. This is the week where we really set up our strategy of how we are going to grow into who we really are, how we are going to follow our passion this year. So by the end of the year, we are more into, if we haven't completely embraced our true selves, but we will be on the road, we will understand where we're going, and we will know what we need to do. This week is about setting up the steps, setting up the strategy. What is our passion? What do we love to do? What is it about ourselves that we keep in the closet because we're embarrassed, because it's weird? It's time to bring it out. The Chinese New Year starts. We've got a Lunar New Year with the wood snake. So the wood snake actually is going to, this energy actually supports our new moon in Aquarius this week. It is so cool. Now, this energy of the snake in sometimes in Western culture, we see it as um, a negative symbol. However, the snake is wisdom and knowledge as well. It's the snake that goes up the Kundalini for the physician symbol. So the snake is wise and the snake is knowledge. So it's the year of the snake. It's the year to really, really get into who we truly are and what we love to do. What is our work? What is our purpose? Now, the wood snake says, yes, you are going to get supported. You will be able to create the life you want. You will be able to create and embrace who you truly want to be, but it's not going to be handed to you. The wood snake says, it's all here. It's all ready for you to grasp and to embrace and to learn from and grow from. But you have to do the work. We have to do the work. So I'm just coming off the top of my head. If nursing is what we've always wanted to do, we love it. We can't just go out to the nearest doctor's office or hospital, can we? No, we've got to do the work. If we do the work, and if this is our passion, we are going to be successful. That's what Wood Snake says. So that is our energy this week. It is a great week to really, with Aquarius, we are embracing this incredible energy of, oh my gosh, I really love that part of myself. I used to not, I give the example of my laugh because my laugh is really obnoxious and loud, and it's actually attracted people. But and I tried not to express that part of myself because I knew it was obnoxious and it's embarrassing, right? Well, not so long ago, I had a friend who actually told me that my laugh was their favorite part. I'm like, somebody really likes that about me? Oh my God. Okay. But But at that point, I got the message. It came in. Embrace who you truly are. If you laugh obnoxiously, embrace it and be it. And as I said, I attract people, and some people you repulse. I lost friends over it too. I can't handle you. You're too loud. But we're not everyone's cup of tea, are we? And as long as we are fully expressing who we are, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. And I've kind of like, ever since then, I've really kind of enjoyed it. Um, and I don't try to suppress it anymore. Small example. So these are the things that we get to bring out of the closet this week, that we get to embrace and express. And when we do, when we set our plan for the year ahead of how we're going to get from the dreaming it to the being it, then we can get going. And we do, like I said, have the support of the universe, the support of all the energy, as long as we do our work. And we have a lot of Piscean energy again this week, especially at the end of the week. So do not forget checking into our greatest resource, checking in with our greatest resource, our higher self, because we will find a lot of our answers, a lot of our direction, if not all of it. by connecting with our higher self and listening to the guidance and the direction we receive. So make sure that we're incorporating our meditating or our quiet and centering this week, because that will help us with our strategy and our plan for the year ahead of how we are going to embrace and express our true authentic self and our work. Very, very important, exciting stuff. So that is our work for the week ahead. Stay focused, really get clarity on what I want to be doing right now in my life. What is it? What would excite me? And then go for it. On Saturday, date night, we have lots of Piscean energy. We actually have Venus in Pisces conjunct Neptune in Pisces. Oh, it's so romantic relationship in Pisces. So it's just, oh, we just feel so much in love. And we want to remember to express our love to our partner. And we feel the other thing with the Piscean energy on Saturday, especially if we don't have a partner, some of us don't, we feel connected. So not only do we feel connected to our partner, maybe we feel the connection with our friends and family, but we also feel connected to the whole. Like all week long, it's there. The veil is thin, just waiting for us to connect and to take the time to listen to the guidance. So it's a great, great week. So let's get started like we always do by becoming balanced, aligned, connected with our higher selves. We'll take our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Then we'll say our Sun and Aquarius affirmation. I already looked at it. It's so perfect for what we're doing this week. Perfect. So let's take our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity. We see it flowing out of our bodies. I like to see it like it's black squares just flowing out of our bodies, flowing away. In its place, we're being filled with this beautiful light made up of white light and goodwill. Not only does it fill our entire bodies, all of them, it also is protecting us. So I like to see this beautiful white triangles, golden triangles, also protects us. It's deflecting all evil, low vibration, all negativity back to its source. Now, while we're in the space of white light connected with our higher selves, we will say our Sun in Aquarius affirmation. My work reflects my true authentic self and contributes to the good of the whole. We'll say the affirmation, we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say the affirmation together. My work reflects my true authentic self and contributes to the good of the whole. Good, good. Wow, is that powerful? I love these affirmations. Keep that in your back pocket this week, I gotta tell you, because that is what it's all about. What is our work? What is our purpose? What are we here to do, to contribute to the good of the whole, to contribute to this transition from Pisces to Aquarian age? And I will tell you, if we don't feel like stepping into our true authentic selves, if we choose not to participate, our life is going to become more unfulfilling, more exhausting, more depleting, and more depressing. So if we are experiencing any of that, we need to take a look at what we would love to be doing right now and get to it. Take the steps to start moving toward it. That is it for this week. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages and my whimsical, quirky, beautiful, thought-provoking memes. Um, and if you like the message of the Soul Sister channel that we are indeed responsible for creating our own reality, and the Soul Sister channel is here to help us learn, has one tool, one of many, but it's one tool that we can use to help us consciously create the life we want. Spread that message around, will ya? Because we got to figure it out. A lot of us are trying to push our responsibility, all our shit onto them out there. They did it to us. And that is the biggest frickin' lie ever told. It's all right here. Folks, life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great week. Dream it and be it. That is our mantra for the week. Namaste.